Hello friends, welcome to Web Trainings Academy. This is our second video in the series of blogging for beginners. Our today's video is a very interesting video, and I suggest every blogger who wants to get started in the blogging should see this video so that you can understand the reasons. And today's video is about 6 reasons why most of the bloggers fail. Now, when I say most of the bloggers, we can take at least 75 to 80% of the bloggers. Generally, they fail to attain what they have expected. Now, what is the reason for that? What are these 6 reasons why most of the bloggers fail? I'm going to explain one by one, point by point, so that you can able to avoid these problems and these traps, so that you will not be in the list of those failed bloggers. Number 1 is the first reason why most of the bloggers fail is get rich quick mindset. What do you mean by get rich quick mindset? Let me explain you, friends. What happens is, when you listen about blogging, when you see some big blogger making some thousands of dollars and millions of dollars, immediately you will also pick it up and think that I will also become rich very quickly. So you will set up a mindset where in blogging you think there is quick money, we can make money and we can exit. That is what the mindset will become. But the reality is completely different. Now, let me give you an example of another industry which I am familiar with, to give you an idea that how does it really impacts and affects our blogging as well. Now, one more industry is stock market, where according to estimates, 90% of the day traders, 90% of the traders who do quick buy and sell, 90% of the traders, they lose money in stock market. Now, reason for that is again the same mindset. What they think is they will just get into the market is very easy, we can just pick up profits and we can exit. But believe me friends, it doesn't happen. Only 10% of the qualified and professional traders make money. Remaining money goes to the big houses as well as for the long-term investors. So here also, how do I change this mindset? Very simple. When you enter into blogging, think about blogging as a long-term strategy, not as a short-term quick fix or short-term money making machine. No, in blogging you cannot get rich quick. You have to wait, you have to work hard for a longer duration of time to achieve your goal and achieve success which you want in blogging. So the first reason why many people fail is that they have a get rich quick mindset. So if you don't want to fail, change the mindset to a long-term strategy, to a long-term thinking process, which I am also going to share in the future videos as we discuss. Number 2, the second reason why blog fail or a bloggers fail is, the second reason is selecting a wrong niche. Now this is very, very important. Now let me give you an example here. What happens is, I'm into blogging, I'm very interested. Let's say I'm interested in a topic. Let us say the topic which I have chosen is about a subject, let's say digital marketing. Now if you see, this subject is a niche where this niche can be best for me because I know about digital marketing, I can write about digital marketing. It's a big niche, all right, and there are a lot of people who are looking for this niche. Now see, you have to understand this aspect like this. When you are selecting a niche, you have to see passion, you have to see the other angle is how many people are interested. So when these two together, when you map and when you see that the subject which you are passionate about, as well as there are a lot of people who are looking for, and one more area you have to add is, are there advertisers for this subject as well? So when you combine these three elements, passion, people who are looking for the subject, and also advertisers in the market and affiliate companies in the market, if you have 3 of this combined, then you get a perfect niche. So many times what happens is, some of the users will pick up a niche which no one is really interested, no one is really bothered about that particular niche. Now what happens is, when there is no people, no searches, no volume, automatically after few days, few months of trial, the blogger will stop updating articles because he is not able to get the traffic. So second reason is, selecting a wrong niche also a reason why a blog will fail. And here I would like to tell you that in our future videos we are going to discuss about individual video where we will have how to select a profitable niche. We will have a subject on that topic as well. Number 3, the third main reason why many bloggers fail. Now this is basically, you may have seen lot of fake gurus, okay, and lot of fake trainers, where there are some genuine trainers, I agree with it, but most of the trainers in today's era, what they try to do is they want to sell you a big dream. What they will say, how the course advertisement will be is, I make 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 10 lakhs from blogging. I will teach you how. Now remember what happens is, immediately your mind functions in this way, that when you think that ad, when you see that ad, what you feel is, he's making 1 lakh or 2 lakh, automatically I'm also going to make that 1 or 2 lakhs. But what happens when you go through the course, it is a normal information, normal content which you find in any blog or any free resource, or even in YouTube videos like ours or any other YouTuber video, then you get disappointed. What is this? I thought he will teach something unique, something amazing, but reality is the subject is basically the same, only certain modifications will be done in certain parts. So now if someone is trying to sell you a course and he says, I'm making 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs, $1,000 or $10,000, be aware that if he is selling a course on this basis, that I am making 10 lakh rupees, you will also make 10 lakh rupees, that is one of the first alarm for you, a warning sign for you that this course may not be worth it, because most of the fake gurus in internet today, many people are fake. Basically they try to sell a product and the maximum earning is not from the their actual activity, but it is mostly from the product, from the selling of the course itself. Now in this particular aspect, be careful. If you buy a particular course, be careful that from whom you are buying. There are some good genuine bloggers as well. If they are offering a course, they will not put this kind of stuff like I make 1 crore, I make 1 lakh, you will also make. Not that kind of selling point they will have. They will have a straightforward selling point that we will teach you how to use this subject. So choose your trainer, or if you are going to take any course from anyone, be wise in selecting your instructor. Number 4 is setting up unrealistic goals. Now see, this happens a lot of the times. What happens is, when we start working in blogs, okay, now immediately we think that we may get 1 million traffic a month, or some people said, 10,000, I will make $1,000 in a month, $10,000 in a month, like that. They've set up unrealistic goals. Now what happens is, when I'm setting up this very huge traffic goals, when I'm setting up this huge earning goals, now after working for 1 or 2 months, what you will notice is your traffic is just in hundreds and your earnings in you are not even eligible to apply. Now what happens is, immediately your mind will say that, oh, it's not working, I think I should go for something else, this blogging is very waste, I can't work. No, if you set realistic goal, it is possible. If you set unrealistic goal, then definitely it is not possible to be a good blogger. So try to set realistic goals. In our future videos we will discuss about this topic as well, like how to set realistic goals for our blog in future. Next, the 5th point why bloggers basically fail is lack of expertise in the niche. Now remember, blogger needs to be very knowledgeable about the subject for which he is writing. Let's say if I am writing about digital marketing and related subjects, because I have 13 plus years of experience in this, I know the subject inside out, I know all the latest updates which come in the market. So without even referencing from any third party website, I can write, let's say, a 2000 words article right now. Okay, so that is a level of expertise I'm having. Let's say, for example, I want to write about a topic, Google Tag Manager. Now without referencing, I can write at least 2000 words of article, which is, in blogging you should have the expertise of the subject which you have chosen for your niche, because expertise again will be very important for our Google ranking as well, which has a new update of EAT. So that we will also discuss in our later topics as well. So you have to have an expertise skills in the subject, then only you can get succeed in the blogging industry. And the last reason why many bloggers fail is lack of marketing skills. Now many bloggers think, writers think that if I write very well, people will come automatically. No, that is not right. Even in marketing world, there is one saying, people say, if I build the product good, people will come to my door. No, today we are not living in that kind of era where you have to make your product visible, then only people will come. I may be having the best product in the world. When people don't know about your product, right, why will they come to you? Why will they come to your website? So same thing happens for blog. So I would suggest, if you are becoming a blogger, it is necessary you should know in-depth SEO concepts, you should know social media marketing strategies, so that you know once you are writing the article, you know how to promote that article, how to bring it top of the search results, how to drive traffic from Quora, how to drive traffic from Facebook, how to drive traffic from other social media sources. If you know that marketing, you have the marketing skills, you can able to drive the traffic as well. So these are the 6 reasons why most of the bloggers fail. So I would say that if you are starting blogging, so make sure that you don't do this kind of mistakes, so that you will have a realistic goal set up before you start the blogging journey, so that you know that what is your expected goal and what are your results you will be expecting, how much time you are going to expect the results. This also, in our future videos, we are going to give you a realistic goal planning as well as a realistic expectation in the beginning stages, so you get a clarity of how much time and effort is required to get started with the successful blogging. I hope you are clear with this particular video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below. I will answer your questions. And if you have liked this video, please like, share our video, as well as you can subscribe to our channel by pressing the icon here on the video on the right hand side, as well as you can watch the other videos in this particular series by using this playlist option. Thank you very much.